Aloha, Rick Alverson here. I'm going to do lab assignment number 4, binary search trees today. So let me share my screen. This one here. And in this one, we're in chapter 19 of Zybooks, and we're looking at binary search trees. And we're going to implement the Java binary search tree demo at the end of the chapter. And then we're going to add some stuff to it. First we're going to implement it, and then we're going to add an in-order traversal, so we can print an order. So it's a binary search tree, so that means it's going to print in sorted order. In order would be sorted order then. And then we're going to add a method which will return the height of the binary tree, and then we're going to add a method to return the number of nodes in the binary tree. All right, so, and then we're just going to submit a screenshot in the project. So let's get started. We have to create a Eclipse project named binary search tree demo. And the reason we have to have it be different is because there actually is going to be a class in this demo. There's a class called binary search tree, so it might cause a little bit of a problem. Anyway, it's here. It's at the end of chapter 19. This one here, Java binary search tree, and these later chapters, of course, they don't have labs, so the lab for the assignment, the lab assignments are going to cover the Xylabs because there aren't any Xylabs in these later chapters. There's challenge activities which you have to do, but anyway, so this describes. This chapter is all about binary search trees and the different types of binary search trees, and you will have studied that and done the challenge exercises, activities. Here is the Java program, and you can just see that it runs. It's got this is the demo program, and it has these classes in the same package here. There's the node. That's what the node looks like. This is the binary search tree class that's got the searching for a node, returning if the node exists, and inserting a node, and removing a node. All right, so and then this is a nice print program. So if we have here, this is an integer array that's input, and as it's input, a binary search tree is created, and then we can say, so print, we can run it. Oh, and this will read this. So this is what the output of the binary search tree looks like. And then this is a value to remove. So it removes the 5, it removes this one. So in other words, it removes this node. And after that, the binary search tree looks like this, after the 5 has been removed. So you can put anything you want in here. So I give bunch of unsorted integers, like if we stick 64 of them in here, copy, and go back over here, we can paste 64 of these in here. Just do that. And then we can find one to remove, and let's remove 7406, because that's there. Why not? 7406. And then we can run this, and it displays out this huge old binary search tree that doesn't look like it makes any sense. Anyway, all right, so that was kind of dumb. But the idea here is that we're supposed to implement this whole thing here. So let's start with demo. So let's open up Eclipse. And I'm in my lab demos workspace. And here we are, and I'm going to create a new Java project called binary search tree demo. I guess I could call it binary search tree, but then okay, anyway, finish. And that's what the module name is going to be called. And then we're going to create a new package called binary search tree demo package. And then inside binary search tree demo package, I'm going to create these four files, Java files. So I'm going to first create the first one, a new class called node.java. Oh, I might as well create this one here first. This is the one that's got the void in it, or the main in it. So I'm going to call it binary search tree demo, and it's going to have the main in it. So that's this one, but then we also need a node node, just a node, and that does not have a static thing of a main. And I might as well, while I'm at it, I might as well copy the code in there, copy, paste, and let me Control A, correct indentation. Let's know it. I might as well do this one too. I didn't do this one before. Let's go back to this one. This is the demo, and I need to put this in there. Copy, paste, and then I need to put, and this is all in the publics, in the main here, copy, and search tree demo, paste, Control A, source correct indentation. That's because I don't have that there yet. Let's do a new class called binary search tree, and it doesn't have a main, but what it does have is this. So let me grab all of this, copy, and paste that in here. Oops. I guess that's okay. Maybe that's what I should be doing all along. What I did was I did a paste, raw paste. That's probably what I should have done all along. Okay, that looks good. And then the last one is this print Java thing. So let's Control A, copy, go over here and make a new class called BST print, and just say okay, and inside here put over this raw paste. Okay. Ooh, is that right? Hmm. Um, hmm. Okay, well, anyway, I guess I can take this out, and take this out. And well, let's just see if it works. It's this demo one that we're running, this one. So let me run it. And it's let's see what the problem is. Problems 601 error. Syntax error with token. Delete this token. Where is it? Move this over. I know I'm right here. Line 38. Hmm. I guess I don't know what the problem is, but yeah, I know scanners are closed. Let's see, where is it? Oh, I'm looking in the oops, this line 38. Gotta make sure you're on the right thing here. Okay, yes, there's an extra one of these. I thought, oh, okay. Are there any other extra ones? Okay, what happens if I try to run it again? Oh, okay, there we go. All right, let's add some. Where's my, oops, no, this, grab 16, copy, paste, enter. And here is a nice, this is the tree, and I'm supposed to remove one. Well, I'm gonna remove, why don't I remove, like, I don't know, 3814, see what happens. 38, 38, 14. And now it looks like this. All right, now what we're supposed to do, so we've done part one, and we run our program with different array sizes. You can see that it works. Now we have to add an in order traversal and a get height and a add node count. Now we add these to the binary search tree class. So what I'm talking about is right here in the binary search tree class right here. This is where these are all these, nice methods. This is the remove method. This is the inserting a node. This is searching for a node. And what we want to do is we want to add node search after node search. Let's see, that's what I have in my notes. I think I had it right here. That's where I put them. It doesn't matter where you put them. So I'm going to put it here. We need to add a public, and this is going to be for in order. This is just going to be a print. This is just going to be a print. So it's not going to return anything. So that can look something like it's not going to return anything. So it's void. And we're going to call it print in order. And it's going to and what's going to be passed to it is a node. I'm going to call it this. And we have to write the code here that will print out the nodes in order. So something like if this is going to be a recursive program. So if we want to print a node and it's null, if a node that we're being asked to print here is null, then we're going to return and not print anything. Okay. Otherwise, we want to print. Otherwise, we want to print the node. So we want to print system out print. We want to print the key, the node key I'm talking about. This is the value, the key value. So I'm in here. I want to print out the node key. And then I have to, then I want to print out, then I want to go call myself print in order my left tree, and then I want to do my right tree. Oops. Print in order node right. Okay, now this isn't correct, but it's something like this. Okay, so you got to fix that. And then we want to do a get height. And so a get height would be, it's going to return an integer, public int get height. What do I call it? Get height. And it's going to be a node input, a node parameter. And it's going to be the height of the left child, no, it's going to be the greater of the height of the left subtree, or left tree, the greater of the left tree and the right tree, the greater of the two, the greater of the height of the left tree and the right tree. So you want to get the height of the left height, equals get height of the node left tree. And then you want an int right height equals get height the right node. And then you want to int greater is there a max function? No, I don't think there is. Greater equals left height. And then if actually, I guess I don't need that's a comment. I guess these can actually be statements because they look pretty good as statements. And then if right height is greater than greater, then greater equals right height. Anyway, then you return greater or something like that. This isn't correct, but you get the idea. Okay, you got to make it correct. Something like that. And then the last thing we got to do is node count. Well, that's just simply, it's a return. It's an integer, public integer node count. Fingers in the right place. Node count of a node of a tree, whatever. So it's going to be return node count of node left plus node plus node count of the right node. Gotta just add them up. Okay, it's something like that. It's not exactly right, but it's close. So you get the idea. So you just have to fix those and think about what you're doing. Fix them. And then we got to print these things out. Oh no, we have to get them. All right. So where's the oh, it's in node demo. I mean in binary search tree demo. Okay, so we read them in. Oh, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to print out the modify the main program to print out the in order traversal. Modify the main program to output the tree height after printing the tree. After printing the tree. Modify the program to output the number of nodes after printing the tree. Okay, so all right. Where do we print the tree? Here we print the tree. We print the tree. Okay. Here we print the tree and here we print the tree. Okay, so let's do it in both cases. Okay, system out print ln in order traversal. Plus, what did I call it? I think I called it it's going to return. Oh, it's just going to print. Oh, I just need to do this. uh, print, what's the name of that method again? Print in order. Um, hmm, let's see, what is the, oops, let's see, I gotta, um, I guess I can just print in order. Let's see. Let's see. The name of our binary search tree is tree, so that's what we put here. We put a tree. I guess I can do this. Printing first. I print the in order first, so that's what I'm doing now. So it's I actually have to say what it is. It's this one. I could say this. I think I can use this, but I'm going to use tree. I think I got to put that there. And I'm going to be printing tree get root. That's exactly what, that's the argument here, just like this argument here. And so we're using that same type of argument in our print in order. Guess I probably shouldn't need to have to put this here. But anyway, let's see. Do I need that last? Yes, I do. And then I want to system out print ln, and I can do the node count. Let's see what's next. The get height, and I'm going to add to that tree get height, tree get root, and so that outputs the tree height. And then lastly, I need a system out print line number of node count. Oh, I need to do a plus tree dot node count. Oops. Count. Tree get root. Okay, I'm gonna see what this does. I need to add this. What am I missing here? Oh, I gotta close that one. So I guess we need to put this down here also. Let's just see what this looks like. Let me throw in some of these. We have an error. Let's see. Ooh, exception thread main exception. Cannot read. Field left because node is null. 22. It's in 22. In get height. So the problem is in here. So you have to fix that error. And let's see how far we can get. Let me go to get height over here. And it's get height is this thing. Yeah, so you're gonna have to fix this. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna do return 1. Okay, just to what is this? Unreachable code. Yeah, I know. Is it that bad? Oh, I tell you what, I'm just gonna say if node is null, return 0. How's that? Now what happened? Now what does it do? Can I paste? Are they still there? Yes, they are. Hmm. You'd think it'd be able to work now. Well, anyway, so why don't you fix this? I'm gonna just comment all of this out. And I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm just gonna comment out this because I want to see if this can work. See what the outputs all look like. Still unknown. Oh, I wonder I'm editing the wrong thing here. Let's see, let me back up. I need a semicolon. Let me put if node is null, return 1. And now we're in get height. We're having the same problem. I want to put the same thing in here. If node is null, return 0, 0. All right, and I don't know what this is supposed to be. I think the problem is when I was printing these out in order, I need to put a space, need to space them out. And maybe when I'm done with print in order out here, I should do a system out. Front line. What did I do wrong? So, well, oh, did I? Oh, no wonder. Let's try this again. I'm tired, you can tell. Let's see, I gotta go back to here and copy this again and go to here and go to here. And this looks like this traversal is not correct. The height is not correct. That's not correct. This still works. 1764. 1764. And this is not, these are not right. So, but so what you need to do is go in and you can solve this pretty easily. You need to fix this where you're printing an order. It's basically, this has got to be, these are in the wrong order. And get height. You want to get the left height, get the right height, find the bigger of the two, and that's the height, but you got to add one because you're actually add a node, so you're adding one more. You get the left and the right, and then you add one, the biggest one, and then you add yourself to that height. And node count is simple. You just get the node count of the left, get the node count of the right, and then you have to remember to add yourself. So anyway, you should be able to do the rest of that. When you're done with this, you take a screenshot, and I'll put an example here. This is I'll put an example here of what it looks like when it's all correct, and so you can try that. And you just need to take a screenshot, attach that, and export your project and attach that. So sorry, this was kind of a rambly video, but I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.